Hello, you beautiful souls. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the market update for 14th of January. Okay. Asian session. So, as you can see on XAU, this was the analysis that I made, last night actually. And you see, this is what happened. So, like this one, I drew it before. You can watch the previous video. So you can see here, you know, I'm gonna add, hang on, I'll add, let's add 3 minutes candle with 3x speed. And you see, you know, market did break out of this, descending trend line and it just went to this high. Then on the pullback, it comes back here, okay, right? And then it's gonna, take support from this trend line and it's gonna go up. So you'll see why it's not drawing the um hang on, it should draw this one, right? Anyway, you get the point, right? um Wait a minute, just refresh it, perhaps it's gonna load up. Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh, okay. I think, yeah, this line is yeah, it's way up here. Okay, sorry guys. So as you can see, um you know line, this descending trend line did break out above and then it pulls back to around here. So if you had extended this trend line, okay, down that point. So what I'm trying to say is trend lines are time, okay? They are the indication of time. It points to that particular point where market when reaches there, then time becomes equals price, okay? Price equals time or time equals price. Both are equal, and that's when the big change happens, okay? And you will see this was that moment. If you remember in the last video, I said like, okay, if it's gonna pull back, like this sort of event like leads to this pullback, you know and you can see it like from the wave structure as well. So if we are taking spring as our first wave, okay, first one two, right, 1 2 3 4 5, that's your one wave, first wave. Okay, let me just draw it. I'm actually working on this one. So like I searched all over the internet, I mean, like even Lux Algo doesn't have like good Elliott wave analysis. I actually coded that one in Python, but converting it into PineScript is like, it's gonna take time. So once it's done, I'll release the code as well, release the indicator as well. So you see here, this was your 1 2 3 4 5. That's your impulse wave. That's your one. This is your two. Okay. Now the third wave is gonna go up. Check this out. Okay. Yeah. I mean. Um. Okay. See, one, two. Okay. Three. Right. Three. This is your third wave. Fourth. And now the fifth wave is gonna come here. Okay. And this fifth wave might as well just go to this point. You see. And let me just add enable drawing this syncing there as well. Okay, so this is your motive wave. Okay, motive impulse wave. So see, one two, three, four, five, and within those wave, you will have smaller waves, which you can like mark up with A, B, C, D, E, like this, okay? Like, A, B, C, D, E, like that, or like even a smaller one, so you can see that like this, um, like natural laws algorithm does play out very nicely. And if I play this out, you will see it took support from this trend line, right? And it just went up, and then when it breaks above, pulls back, and then it goes up. So this is break, retest, then breakout. This is the trade that like is very high probability trade, and you can verify it with your volume as well, and the RSI as well. Because if you see here um, on the distribution structure, it was making LPS, okay, last point of support. And like after a lot of spring, then secondary test, after upthrust, it pulls back and then it makes LPS. Or to be honest, it is a spring, but like as it closes above this one, this midpoint, it actually pointed as like LPS, okay? So that's why spring actually starts the um, initiation of the trend, okay? And with like when you learn from Wyckoff analysis, they will say like spring is the best time to take trade. Then after that, test of spring, and then LPS, okay? And after that, backing up action, okay? So this is where we are right now, and I think it's gonna continue when the market comes around this trend line, it's gonna go up, and I think it's gonna go to 650 for sure. It's gonna go to 650. All right, so we can actually also look into higher time frame, and see like if it breaks above this one, it's going to this one. So yeah. Let's go to Bitcoin. So, guys, as I said last time in the last video, I predicted that the market is gonna go to 95 if it reaches there. I mean, like if it doesn't break down below, and then like from here it breaks down, pulls back, then it's going to 95, and that's what happened. Okay, you can see, you can watch the couple of videos later. I think I recorded that in 13th or 14th. I don't know, but yeah, you can see these things are these analysis is playing out very nicely. Okay. Um, so yeah, I mean this was on 4 hours, so you can also go to 15 minutes and pick your trades. You see, like I think yesterday, and I was saying, okay, like backing up action is gonna happen, then it's gonna go up. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember I took short position around there, and I took profit around $1,000. Then I just played out for short position. Then I stopped out something, and then I said that okay, if it's gonna break there, then like backing up action and boom. So yeah, and guys, like this is the initiation of this trend. Like if you remember, I was saying that like this, if we break out this, this is very strong resistance, and this is what happened, right? Then it's making LPS, okay, LPS, so last point of support, and you can see that indication with the volume, okay, this amount of volume, okay. And so yeah, this is a really good trade, like it's gonna hit for sure 105K. That was my next prediction, actually. 105K around here. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I mean, you can see it for yourself, like this Wyckoff analysis works really well. But if you don't have trend lines, then it doesn't work. Like I have seen that doesn't work as good as you would think without trend lines. Okay, and that's what I'm doing uniquely in this system, to show you that time is the most important factor in predicting the market analysis, or like doing anything in the market. Okay, time is more important than price. And if you see here, if you had like suppose taken short here, like you would have stopped out. Okay, and that's what we did as well. But I said as well, like, then when it goes above, pulls back, backing up action, that's like standard textbook example, guys, and it happens in the market again and again and again. Um, yeah, so first target has reached, second target almost got reached, so it's pulling back to the first target TP1, which was from this low to high. This was 4.97%. Okay, and if you so like I think the next is gonna be 100K. Okay, because you see this is an impulse wave. Okay, if this spring started this move. Okay, and you can see if I enable this, so this is my one, this is two, this is third wave, fourth wave is coming here, okay, and then fifth wave is gonna go up there. So there is gonna be one divergence that's gonna happen. It's already happening. Okay, I mean it's already forming a structure for divergence. It soon is gonna happen, and it's gonna go to 100K. Okay, so yeah, yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the about this analysis. Okay, and follow me on the YouTube for more information. And if you want more information about the trading indicator that you wanna use, that I'm using actually, you can go to this website. Okay, and see it for yourself. Like go through each indicators and analyze, read about it, understand what it's doing, and most importantly, if you can watch video, that would be great. And you can see here, if I go here and here, you see this is the indicators that are released, you know and yeah, if you want access to this, you can apply for 30-day trial here. Okay, just enter your name, email address, which trading view in like your trading view username, and which indicator you want to get access for. Okay, um, that's it, guys. you know yeah, follow more for you know more amazing videos like this and analysis, and you can go through this channel. Yeah, I have Udemy course as well. I'm actually working on really Udemy course for the indicator that I'm showing you how to use, you know. And yeah, guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. If you haven't liked, please like, subscribe, so that algorithm knows how to reach as many people as possible. Because see, in trading, we were all, like running around here and there. Okay, I mean, like most of the people. Okay, 90% of them. All right, and I was one of them. Okay, but my background was in like algorithmic trading. Okay, I was trying to solve it with AI. Um, yeah, but AI, didn't show that much capability. And human, Wyckoff used to say that there is no substitution for human judgment when it comes to trading. All right, and if you have used AI algorithm and anything else, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, and most of the signal people are selling online, it's just based on lagging indicator. Okay, this is the keyword. All right, guys, like lagging indicator. Most of them sell lagging indicator. Okay, even they talk about Fibonacci and stuff. Even that is a some part of that is lagging indicator. Okay, until and unless you have trend line. Okay, everything else is just lagging. Okay, because trend line leads the way. And you can see if I just enable this one, check this out. Okay, I'll just enable the trend lines here, and you'll see a pattern forming here. Okay, you see, as soon as I enable the trend line, you see it's leading the way. It's leading the way, right? And I'll and I'll show you. See, it's leading the way. This when this trend line hit, even the price target was like really close. It's just like it had to just stop. Okay, then it comes back, and then it's like it stopped there, and then it's just moving forward. Okay, and you can also apply the descending trend line here as well. Um, because what I've discovered is like trend line gives you edge, okay, in the market, that's for sure. And you can see this was that here it hit the target. Here, I mean, if I had extended this trend line, you can see like from here, okay, this was, yeah, so this was like, yeah, like this. So that's why, like, market had to stop and then pull back. And obviously this is fourth wave, and this is where, like, it's accumulating again, like it stopped. So it might also come to this point here, because fourth wave is like it takes time to develop the market, and it should be about this one, and after that it's gonna go to 99 for sure, or 100. That's my prediction for today. Okay. So yeah, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.